Hey guys, and welcome to Travelinaday's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro in Midnight Green. This phone comes with a ultra wide angle 120 degree field of view lens, which to me is the biggest seller. Even though the 11 has it as well, I like the telephoto. It can get those sharp shots whenever you need them. If you're far away, you don't want to use the digital zoom. You can always have that nice optical zoom. Here we go. It's beautiful finish and matte, as you can see. There's the stovetop design, as everyone calls it. Let's go ahead and take off the protective screen. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on now. If it decides to. It's beautiful stainless steel edges. Nice design. Once it loads up, we'll log in and take it for a spin. Set it up on English, US. Set up manually, log in, and there it goes. Alright guys, we'll be back. I'll show you the camera features of it, how it works at night. What's up guys, as you can see we're now in the Photos app. Nothing has changed. As you can see now, the only difference from looking at the phone now is the borders that were used to be in black now show what is behind the frame. If you were to pop into your wide angle lens, it all comes together and that's your usual screen. Zoom into your telephoto, the same thing happens, which is pretty cool. Some new cool features are the hold to record, which is pretty neat, I will agree. Another thing you can do is now pull to the left or down to do your burst modes. I've never used burst, but I guess people do because it's still an option. You have your HDR at the top. If you click the little arrow here at the top, you can now have all your settings for your cameras. You want to do a square mode, it's there. That's all remains the same. Telephoto looks pretty cool. Your zoom lens or your telephoto lens is crisp. It does still have the option for a digital zoom, so that's neat. You can't record in the you can record actually in the wide angle, you just can't switch lenses. So if you thought you would be able to do that, sorry, but no. You could though record and slightly zoom back in if you were into that. Another big change was the night mode. You can't see it now because there's too much light. But if we turn off the flashlight, it pops up. You see here on the bottom left now, you click it, it's got an exposure of 2 seconds. While on a tripod, it can expose up to 30 seconds. Holding it manually, maybe 3 or 4 seconds. You can drag it up or down and it'll go to what it thinks it's best. You click the shutter, it begins to expose the image. It might look very grainy to you, but trust me, once you go into the picture, the graininess is gone. Very, very sharp image. Granted, it won't replace your DSLR or top of the line point and shoot. Another cool thing is now you can edit videos while in the app. If you go here, all your settings are there. Another cool new feature with the iPhone 11s. Cancel that out.